G'day guys, it's Matt again from Photoshop Fun. Thanks for watching my channel. Today we're going to do a Photoshop tutorial based on a girl's face with a tiger face on top of hers. So it looks like she's a tiger person. Okay, we've got two photos here. Here we go. Get straight into it. Photoshop, here we go. Okay, we've got a picture of the tiger. And get the selection tool, go around his face very briefly. Not too much detail here. Copy that, go to her photo, paste. Now, we can move him around as much as we like because he's on a new layer. Okay, what we're going to do here, we're going to take transparency down a bit so that you can actually see what's going on behind. Okay, get the selection tool, move it up and down, move it up and down. Where are we? There's the mouth. Okay, Command T for transform. I'm just going to transform it to make it a little bit more smaller because her face isn't really that big in this photo. Okay, like that. Take this opacity down a bit further so I can see what we're working on here. Now we've got the mouth there. Okay, now we're going to have to transform more. So I go to Command T, hold down the Shift key and bring it down so the eyes are there on top of the face. Okay, and bring that in a bit. Oh, we don't want to bring it in too much. That'll do. That'll do us. Don't forget guys, this is a rough idea. This is a rough way of doing it. If you're going to do it as a professional, you're going to do it as a living or something like that, obviously you're going to have to go into more detail. But this is the basic understanding how to do this, okay? So, right, we're going to go to here, normal, dissolve. We're going to go to, excuse me, darken's not good enough, multiply. Now it looks pretty dark. So what we're going to do, we're going to change the opacity and bring it down to about 95, 93, something like that, 90 something percent. Going to do a duplicate of the background layer, duplicate that, and drag and drop it over the top of the tiger one. Right, now with hers, what we're going to do, this is the eraser tool. Basically we're going to zoom in, and we're going to erase her skin area, and that's going to expose the layer underneath, which is the tiger face. Okay, so now make sure that the eraser tool isn't too big. It's a nice size and it's no hardness, it's soft. Okay, spacing, I'll leave it on 25%, that's good enough. Now because I'm using a pen and tablet with Photoshop, the pen is pressure sensitive. So the lighter you press, it's a thin line. The more you press down, the thicker the line goes, it bleeds. Okay, so here we go. Go around here, very lightly around the top of the hairline. So if you want, you get time to, you can really go into the intricate details into these little areas. They're very small, very gently. I'm going around the eye glasses. Okay, so look at that guys, it's starting to really come up really well. So we're not going to go into hues and saturations and all this type of stuff here. This is very basic Photoshop. So this is really good if you're a beginner. This is something you can play around with, and this is how you can get by with just small, minor, little detailed stuff. Now what we're doing, because we've got the layer of the tiger, because we've got it onto multiply, it's transparent, so it's going to show up all the details of the contours of her face. So as you can see here, her nostrils are showing up, the contours of, you know, around underneath her nose, you know, her face itself, that's all going to show up, which is really good. That's what we want. Okay, so I'm going to go up to here, I'm going to blend again, going to push down the pressure sensitive pretty hard there. Now lips we want to keep, so we're not going to go over the lips. So go around like this. This is getting a double nose type of thing here, but anyway, you get the idea of what I'm talking about. Go around here, very gently. Now if you want to turn the image around, hold down the R key, and use the cursor, just click down and push. Now, it's a lot easier that way, especially if you're going around like that type of thing. You don't want to go forwards and backwards, all this type of stuff. You're not going to get a straight line. So using the R key is great to rotate the image so you can get a good straight line. I'll hold down the R key again and go back to where I was. And I'm just going to get rid of all this area here, and this area here, underneath her bottom lip. Can go into a lot of detail doing this and really make it look really, really good. So I'm giving us, she's getting some whiskers, poor girl. Okay, now that's looking pretty good, guys. That's looking pretty good. There we go. Now rotate again. Now what I'm doing there, I'm holding down the space bar key, while I'm moving the cursor around. Okay, so that's basically, looks a little bit weird, but that's basically what it is. And that's how you transform the face into a tiger face. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. That's it for today's tutorial. Put in the comments below any questions that you want to know, any other tips, techniques or anything like that, how to do things, how to change opacity, if you wanted to ask things like that, how to put a face onto another person, whatever it is, or eliminate someone, whatever the case may be, yep, by all means put it in there and I'll see if I can answer your questions and do a tutorial on it. Thanks for watching. Bye.